This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change gears in a BMW M5. We'll start by understanding the various driving modes your M5 offers, which is crucial for selecting the right setup. Then, we'll dive into engaging the manual shifting mode, giving you complete command over your vehicle's power. Finally, we'll get acquainted with both the paddle shifters and the central gear selector lever, preparing you for an engaging driving experience. Now, let's master the paddle shifters. To increase your speed, simply pull the right paddle towards you for an upshift. Conversely, to slow down or prepare for acceleration, pull the left paddle for a downshift. Remember to execute these shifts smoothly and at the correct engine revolutions per minute. This ensures optimal performance and a seamless driving experience, making every gear change feel precise and powerful. Beyond the paddles, your BMW M5 also offers manual shifting through the central gear selector lever. To downshift, you'll push the lever forward, which functions just like pulling the left paddle. For an upshift, simply pull the lever backward, mirroring the action of the right paddle. Practicing these precise movements will help you achieve seamless and responsive gear transitions, giving you another excellent way to control your M5's power. To truly elevate your M5 driving, consider these advanced tips. Always anticipate upcoming turns, adjusting your gear proactively for smooth and stable cornering. Avoid lugging the engine by ensuring you downshift before accelerating, keeping the engine in its optimal power band. Most importantly, practice these techniques in a safe, controlled environment. This will build your confidence and refine your skills, allowing you to fully enjoy your BMW M5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.